am going to share with you the health requirements for a home daycare provider in Alabama. One requirement is a medical report and a TB skin test must be done and dated 6 months prior to the initial application. This is for the home daycare provider, this is for the substitute, and this is for the household member. Also, if you have children in your home, they must also have a medical report done. This is a different type of form you would do for the children than it would be for you as the provider, substitute, and the household member. After the first initial application for the provider, it must be updated every 2 years. For the household member, it must be updated. Your medical report and your TB skin test must be updated every 4 years after. The next thing that you're going to need is a request for clearance of State Central Register of Child Abuse and Neglect. You must complete a CAN form. This must be done, and it has to be updated every 5 years. The next thing that you will need is a criminal history background information check. This is where you get your fingerprints done. You need to get those results in, and you must have your fingerprints updated every 5 years. Next thing that you will need for operating a home daycare in Alabama, you will also need CPR certification. So I've shared with you today the health requirements for a family home daycare provider in Alabama. I've also done another video where I will discuss the food requirements for a home daycare in Alabama. If you would like to know more about how you can prepare to open your home daycare, where to find the forms, how to complete the forms, or you just need help with opening your home daycare, book a discovery call with me, and I would love to chat with you. And until next time, bye-bye.